question. How are you, my friend? How are you doing today? 16 minutes past the hour of 2. Good afternoon, Nigerians. It's a terrific Tuesday. It is the 23rd day in the month of January 2024. Welcome to the program Tuesday Talks with yours truly, Tomby, very much in the building. And we're here every Tuesday from 2 p.m. till 3:30 where we get to wrap things up. It's all about your health. We care about your well-being as much as you do for yourself. And that's why we've created a program for you, so that we talk about your health being. Because if you're not strong, there's no way you'll be listening to us if you're not strong. So we pray that you get strong and you get even better, as a matter of fact. Good afternoon once again. This is Tuesday Talks on Jubilee 99.7 FM Lagos, your award-winning radio station. My name is Tom B. It is not Toby. It is not Toby Lola. It is Tom B. So all those people who are calling me Toby, you're used to calling me Toby. It's not Toby, it's Tom B, okay? So welcome this afternoon. Hope your day is going well. It's going smoothly as you've planned it to be. Some persons are already at work. Big ups to you anyways. People need to make the money. We need to hustle and bring food home or put food on the table. So welcome to today's edition. I'm not alone in the studio. When it comes to health, I'm not really specialized in that area. I could know some, but not all. That's why we have, professions or professionals who specialize in those areas. Last week on the show, we had a doctor, a dentist. He talked about, how to properly take care of the mouth, where we talked about oral hygiene. But today, we're going to be talking about massage. How important it is for you and I to get our body massaged. I see some persons and are so used to massaging their bodies, and they keep complaining, my back, my waist, my neck, my legs, I can't walk again. There's things like that. So let's talk about massage, body massage, the importance of body massage on the show this afternoon. And I have a guest in the studio, Teedum Nubari. I hope I got it right.
Yes,
Teedum
Yes,
Nubari.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Welcome. How are you doing today?
I'm very fine, thank you. Yourself?
I'm doing well. You really look healthy. And oh my God, if somebody had told me that, yes, you're a massage therapist, I wouldn't have doubted, because indeed, you really look so fit.
Yeah.
And oh my God. Anyways, welcome. How do you do?
Oh, thank you very much. I'm fine, thank you.
It's good to have you on the show this afternoon.
Thank you. I'm glad to be here.
All right. By the way, Teedum Nubari is a massage therapist. So he's here to tell us why it's important for us, you and I, to massage our body. I know I usually complain a lot. My back is aching. I do that a lot. Even the doctor one time told me I should massage my body because it's needed. So let's go straight to the conversation, Teedum.
Yes, of course.
How important is massage to the body, and at what age should one start going for massage? Because I saw a picture of you.
Yeah.
You were massaging a little baby.
Yes, I
So how important is it that, people massage the body, and at what age should one start going for a body massage?
Okay, so yeah, hi guys. My name is Teedum. I'm a massage therapist from Doom's Touch. That's my brand. How important is it to get massages? As important as you having your breakfast and your lunch and your dinner. For example, the reason why we actually fall sick is because, like, the normal sicknesses that we don't contact from other people, though, and even that as well, when you are stressed, what happens is that your immune system is also stressed. Your body gets weak, and then it's like a dominoes. Yes, exactly. So when you're stressed, like, everything starts falling out of place. So what does the massage do? The massage comes in, help you relieve your stress, and there are lots of other important things that the massage does for the body as well. For example, immune system. I know people think, oh, are you serious? Yes. You just said something about drugs recently on one of your ads, and the massage is like an enabler to the feel good hormones that now gingers the white blood cells or the antibodies, and they're like, "Me, me, 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 me." So when you receive massages and these hormones are released into your system, they go into feeding your white blood cells and they become more active. That's like they've been hid up So that's what a massage does for you. So that's how important it is to get massages, because it's like the cut before you get to the hospital. So um, that point that you're supposed to, like, okay, I think it's time to see the doctor. A massage can help you sort those out before it gets to the point that you have to see a doctor.
But not in all
But
cases.
not in all cases. Not in
Not in
all
all
cases.
cases.
Some cases, yes, you have to see your doctor.
All right. So at what
And then at
age
what age?
should one start going for body
I mean,
massage?
we from the south. You're from the south. We from the south side. We know that from the day you come out of your mother's womb, they start molding you and
Yeah.
pressing you and everything. Yeah, there is not really an age for it, but then there are types of massage for different types of ages. So for a pediatric, which are children, there's a pediatric massage which is fashioned to help a child. I mean, children are stressed. So forget that's talking of when their muscles, the mouth muscles, they're working.
Yeah.
So you help them relax more and all that. And then when you now talk of our age mates, the techniques that we use for the young adults is quite different as well for the technique you use for a geriatric massage. So a geriatric massage is for people from 50 years old. Those are our moms, our dads. The kind of pressure I'll use on a 35-year-old guy would not be the same pressure I'll use on a 60-year-old man. So yes, there's not really a limit to the age that you can get a massage, but then there are techniques and types that we use for separate. And even when you're sick as well, there are types of massages that are used for when you just have an operation, which is the lymphatic drainage. And then there are types of massages that are also used for maybe you're having muscle issues, spasm, or you just had stroke. There are different types of techniques for that, like that.
Oh, okay. So yes. Well, you've answered the question, and just to let you know, in case you were listening, and you want to ask, Teedum a question, you can call in on the show via the phone numbers 0805 251 9337, 0704 100 8997, 0704 100 7997 are the numbers. You can text WhatsApp me 005 251 9337. We're talking about, the importance of body massage, and how often one should massage the body as is needed. And I guess here is Teedum Nubari. And the second question I want to ask is, how often should one massage? It should be on a daily, on a weekly, or monthly, or yearly basis? How often?
Well, just like how too much of everything is not good as well. That is how it is as well. But in this our economy right now, if money no be problem, at least at least you should have sessions at least once a week.
Once a week.
Yeah.
That's if money no be
If
problem,
money no be
sha.
problem, once a week.
But if money not
money be
problem.
problem, at least twice in a month.
Twice in a
You
month.
should have massages twice in a month. Or if not problem too much, at least in 6 months you have like 2 massages or 3 massages in 6 months. That helps a lot, because now one thing I want to say is like, it's like your car. The when you're a newborn baby, your engines, your machines, your newborn car, everything is sharp. But the older you become, the harder it is for blood to be pumped around the vessels. That the more work the heart has to do, the more work your muscles are doing. Even when you're lying down, funny enough, and that's one part that we're going to talk about as well. People neglect the massages of the glutes, which we call the buttocks in the layman time. People like, why person go massage my buttocks? your glutes are actually one of the most used muscles, because when you're sitting, when you're lying down, when you're working, you're using it always. Yeah, so there's no. But I mean, if I would, there's some clients I massage every other day, mostly footballers. I massage them every other day because they are active in motion, always in motion. So I can massage, like my clients in Ghana, I have Monday, Wednesday, Friday, because they are more active. If you're an active person, you should get it as frequently as possible, because it helps with mobility, it helps with flexibility, it helps with a lot of other things that come.
So how about for us who sit down and we talk for hours?
And bankers,
those, especially those who work 9 to 5 jobs,
at least once a week,
should,
because that's when you start having the lower back pains. Oh Charlie, my left side, hey, I feel this weird thing. That's your body telling you, hey, do something to me.
Yeah. Wow. Okay, that's really great. So another question I want to ask this, because not everybody go out to massage. Not everybody is even aware of what massage is. So are there any health implications if one doesn't go for a massage?
Not really per se there's implications, but then you would know by yourself, because by the time you start getting stiff, so there's something they call the phone neck. When we are done, I'll show you something. Normally when you turn your neck, you might think that is the full range of your neck range when you turn to the left or turn to the right. When I realign you, you'll see that it extends. So it's like you start to knock. Let's say that your engine start knocking up. Your normally, I mean, before we could lift our legs and put in our mouth as babies, but because we didn't follow up that regular massage and stretches and stuff like that. I mean, very few of us can stretch our legs into our mouths right now. Even to say, even stretch when you wake up in the
I don't
morning.
think I can do
You
that.
can imagine. So that's what happens. So
Yeah.
massages help to lubricate those joints and those. So these are your mobility shortens. Like so, those are the little disadvantages. Not like there's any major, unless a doctor recommends it that it will help with this. Then that is when we are saying something else. But it's not like there's any scare about it. But it's advisable to get it. Yeah.
All right. Okay. We'll still take your calls and read your messages. Maybe you've since let me put it in the pigeon way. Since when mama born you, like you never massage, and maybe you have any questions as regards your body. Maybe you're feeling, you were supposed to go for massage. Anything that has to do with massage, don't ask questions. Say my stomach is getting bigger or is swollen. What should I do? Which medicine? No, don't call and ask that one. No, he is only a massage therapist.
Yeah.
They are gynecologists who can, and hopefully next week on the show, some other time, we'll bring one so we have that kind of conversation. But this one is about your body. It needs to be flexible, if that's the right word.
Yes,
The nerves, if I'm not mistaken, is it nerves and vein?
So
I
what,
think-
so what a massage therapist tackles or works on when they are working, we don't work on bone actually as well.
Oh,
So
okay.
there's a difference. So the orthopedics or the local trained people know how they handle the bones, but we work on tissues and muscles and
Okay.
sometimes nerves because the muscles connect to all these areas of the organs and the body as well. So yes, mostly tissues and muscles.
All right. 0805251 9337 0704 100 8997 0704 100 7997. The phone numbers that allows you to be part of the show this afternoon. And you can just, listen as well to get enlightened on one or two areas. But let's head straight to the phone lines and get to see who we have here. Hello, good afternoon.
Tommy, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Welcome, Madam Ekaite.
Yeah. Doctor, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, I'm a massage therapist.
How are you?
Uh,
I always see numbness in my fingers. So, what could be the cause and what should I do?
Yes, massages can help with numbness as well. Numbness is mostly related to blood flow. You see, when you start having less blood flow to some areas of the body, that's when you start feeling numb on those places. So yes, a massage can help. Maybe if you can get a ball, there's this little health balls that they sell around. You can just be squeezing it while you're doing your daily work. You can just hold it in your hand and be squeezing. That's a form of massage as well. Or if you have children or people around you, you can show them how to stretch your fingers and help with massages. They can start from your shoulders all the way to your hands towards the vein. Yeah.
All right, let's also take this call and then we'll come back to that question. Hello,
Sure.
good afternoon. Good afternoon to you. What do we have here, please? First time calling. Thank you so much. What's your name? Where are you calling from? All right, Zubi from Apapa. Good to have you on the program this afternoon.
Yeah, just want to add a quick one. You see, massaging quite very good for the body, but just want to let you know that no matter how you massage it, to complement it, you must do or rather undergo some form of exercise or light exercise like jogging or light walking or brisk walking.
Yeah.
That could also help too in strengthening the tissues and the muscle before one
Yes.
can also go for massage.
Yes.
Exercise, and enough rest too is also good.
All right. Thank you, Zubi, for calling and for chipping that one in. Yeah, of course, exercise is
Of course,
it's quite important.
Yes,
Yeah.
it's not neglected at all. When we are saying, it's like saying you have malaria, so don't treat typhoid. No, it's a well-being thing. It's a whole package for you to. You will not neglect the other one because you are doing the other one. So if you want a full utilization of your body and your everything, you have to hard exercise. And funny enough, let me tell you something. Even after you work out at the gym, you also need a massage, funny enough, because massage helps with quick muscle recovery.
Hmm.
Because by the time you work out, your muscles are sore. So you need a massage for a quick, so that you can work out better
The next
time.
day,
Yes.
yeah.
So massage actually goes hand in hand with everything well-being.
Yeah, so you were reacting to Madam
Yes, Madam
Ekaite, you
Ekaite. So
know.
yes, so massages can help, and as well also check with your doctor to be sure it's something that is not too complicated as well. But if it's nothing too serious and they tell you, oh, get a massage or do something more to improve your blood flow to those areas of your hands and all that. Yeah.
All right, so I have a message here. This one says, good afternoon, guys. Does it mean that one can't have a healthy body system without doing body massage? This is coming from Bidemi from Igondo.
Hi, Bidemi. No, we're not saying that. Like we said, there are other ways of you that you can have a healthy body, but then we are saying, like, for example, working out, sleeping, eating. These are things you do to have a healthy body. So adding massage as well is not a no or a yes, but it's like a way to also make it more better. Like, I mean, if you see a way that you can have a sufficient amount of rest without even stressing yourself more, I mean, there's no harm in adding it to your routine.
All right. We're still taking your reactions of course, your calls and messages. 08052519337 07041008997 07041007997. Now the next question I want to ask is, are there specific areas, of the body one should or shouldn't massage? We have the hands, yeah, we have the legs, I can remember growing up, my dad, I got lots of massage, from my parents, my dad most especially, when we have, so are there specific areas one should or shouldn't massage? Before we take that, let's take this call.
Sure.
All right, we lost it. So yeah, you might do well to call back. Let's get to hear from you.
Okay, so yes, there are areas for you to massage and there are areas for you not to massage, and mostly it's based on the client and also their health. Now, most importantly, before you go for a massage, please, you always have to ask your doctor if it's okay for you to have a massage, because there are people that there's this what do you call this? They are prone to bleeding. So what massage does is it improves your blood flow, and then maybe excess blood flow in your body will cause an issue or something. So you need to find out from your doctor if it's okay for you to have a massage. And your question was what again? Sorry.
Yes, the question
parts,
is,
the parts
yes,
of the
are
body.
they specific areas one should or shouldn't massage?
Now, we have privates and then we have exposed body parts.
True.
Now, it depends on who is doing the massage. I mean, if your partner is experienced in massage therapy, you can help in the unless you do not care, or is a lady that you prefer and as a woman to do your massage, then the mammary, which is your breast, can also be massaged because it's a tissue actually. And that's where most times people find out that, there's a lump somewhere, because during massage sessions, that's when that was found. And you quickly go and check it. Wow, I caught it on time. So yes, there's not really a particular place not to massage, because funny enough, the whole part of the body has types of massages named after them.
True.
Yes. So like I was telling you earlier, the glutes. People are like, hey, person go massage my ass for waiting now. The ass muscle is the most used muscle in our body as well, because when you're working, when you're sleeping, so there's not really a particular place, but there's a principle towards it. Like, okay, there's a technique. Okay, this is where I'm touching. But whenever you're going for a massage service, your therapist always tells you where they're going to. If you're comfortable with there being touched, fine. If you're not comfortable, you tell them, no, I don't want you to touch here. I don't want you to touch here. Touch here. Touch here.
All right. So people massage the buttocks.
Yes.
And there's no harm in massaging the buttocks.
No, it's actually very healthy. Actually,
even if they're not going for BBL or something.
I mean, even in short, that is after your BBL, when you've healed, you should actually get
Funny
a massage.
enough, I heard this some years ago. Where I worked before. She was the head of programs at the time.
Yeah.
So we were talking, ladies kind of talk. And she tells us that she does it with her hands. She usually massage her buttocks with her hands. And she didn't tell us, she only said she did it because she wants, the buttocks to be flexible to ta, those kind of, exactly.
So the thing is, like, it's as well as massage increases, no, one thing, for those of you that want clear skin, massage also improves your skin tone.
It does, really?
Yes, it does. Massage improves your skin. So there are enzymes or there are hormones that are released during massages that brightens you up. It's called feel-good hormones. They brighten you up. And yes, massage can make your glutes a bit perkier. Yes, it pushes it up a little bit because the collagens and all that are being pushed towards one direction. So yes, I mean, it's a natural BBL, but it's going to take a long time. So your doctor is faster if you want to go and do it. But then even after your BBL, you should
Yeah.
also get a massage. It's called a lymphatic drainage massage because the lymph nodes and all that are, I think, the enzymes, because they put some chemicals in you during the operation. So a lymphatic drainage massage is so when we are massaging you for that kind of a massage, the direction is pushed towards your lymph nodes, which is between your groins, your upper arm area, and wherever the lymph nodes are located. That's where we push the massage towards, so that by the time you're easing yourself, you drink your water, you help to flush them out, or you sweat them out.
Let's switch away from from women and now to men.
Men,
Because men perform. And when a man is not vibrant, when he doesn't have energy, cannot perform well in bed.
Yes.
Especially those men who complain, my waist.
Yeah.
Chevina, because of waist, I not fit do again.
Good.
And maybe he cannot tell his wife or his woman at home that my babe, my waist, they
I can't
pain
do
me, or
anything.
I not fit do, you understand? Because some of them are shy,
Just
from
discuss
this
that.
kind of conversation. So for men, you're a guy, I swear you look fit.
Yeah.
You're just it, right? So for men out there who might be feeling reluctant, or who might have not seen any reasons
To get
for
a
body
massage.
massage. So you're a guy, maybe
Yeah.
you can talk to them.
Okay, so
why
to
it's important for them to have massage.
It's very important because as a man, you carry more burden. Yes, we are not saying women don't carry burdens, but you carry more burden as a father. You're trying to think about this, and then you're working. The office job is also on you, your children, your family. So it drains you mentally, whether you want to believe. Massage helps your mental health as well. And then talking of performances as well, there's a massage called the lingam massage, which mostly women always ask me to teach them for their partners. For those of you that it helps with erectile dysfunction, it helps with weak erection, early ejaculations and stuff like that. And then your waist, there are techniques you can use, and also if maybe you can't get to a therapist at that particular time, there are exercises or stretches you can do while on your bed. You can just maybe bend your legs towards, hold your bed head, then bend your legs towards the left, towards the right. Like those are ways to relieve the tension on your waist. But the best fact is get a massage. When you do a full body massage with your waist concentrated on and your full body realigned, trust me, that day or the next day after you've relaxed the first day, the next day, your wife is going to say thank you.
I think I will come to one question, but that's going to be later.
Sure.
Because having to massage a fellow guy,
Yes.
some people will, this one a man.
Yeah.
Shana man will come massage me. Those kind of things.
Yes,
So
yes, I get that.
yeah, I will come to that, but that's
Sure.
gonna be later.
Good.
So anyways, this is Tuesday Talks on Jubilee 99.7 FM Lagos. It comes up every Tuesday from 2 p.m. to 3:30, where we wrap things up. And we talk about wellness. Your health is our top priority, because if you are well, you be well listening to us at the same time. All right. So we wouldn't be hearing, we've not heard from one of our callers or one of our listeners because, they are not feeling fine. This is 2024. And every year, every day, every minute, every hour, it's important that we take good care of our health. We drink water always, do all those things that we're being asked to do by, medical practitioners, just to keep ourselves, on the better side of it. As they say, health is wealth. If you're not healthy one way or the other, no matter how much money you have, sometimes people consider, money not be anything now, but not the health where you get, those kind of thing, yeah? So that's why it's important that we create a program like this to bring in people who specialize in this area, doctors, just like we have today now, massage therapists, who, it's enlightening us on the importance of body massage. So feel free still to send a text message, WhatsApp message, SMS to 0805 251 9337. And you can also call the phone numbers 0805 251 9337, 0704 100 8997, 0704 100 7997. The numbers. You want to say something as regards body massage? Feel free to call in. You have a question as regards body massage. Not my ear. You're having, no. All right, strictly massage. If you have any questions, please feel free. And if you have any other comments, you can as well, send in. Let's get to hear from you. Now, I want to ask because, here in
Yeah.
Lagos, I have also noticed something. When I needed the body massage, aside going to the spa,
Mm.
where I come from, you have advanced women,
Yeah.
and even young ladies who have the passion, to do massage. So once you have a pain somewhere, maybe your back is aching or you're feeling somehow, we just go to one mama somewhere. And then, because we know she's older and she might have an experience
Yeah.
when it comes to body massage. And then they massage you. For my parents who are very much, inclined or have a knowledge on massage the little way that they can,
Yeah.
they massage. But here, when I came, it seems people don't really, they're not really aware or educated about what it's called massage. I'm from the south south. This is
Yeah.
Lagos.
Yeah.
You're also from the south side. You're from River State, so
Yeah.
I'm sure you know these things how it's done there.
Regular.
Yeah.
Yes.
So I want to ask: are people embracing the habit of massaging in this generation? And also here in Lagos, sometimes they tell you say, now those days now when our
Yeah.
mama and papa
They
day,
drum.
and
Yes.
this time now 21st century. So they know they do massage all those things. Maybe they say now traditional, all those things.
Yes.
So are people embracing the habit of massaging in this generation?
So, sadly, not really that much because they see it as luxury. You see, once and then the spas have made it look like it's a luxurious thing
Hmm.
to get massage. So people are like, I don't get money. Oh, massage are for rich people, which is not supposed to be so.
Hmm.
Massage is a wellness thing that everybody should have access to. And but so far my move back to Lagos, my clientele has mostly been, as we said, the enlightened people
Hmm.
because they know it's more than luxury because they have they're well traveled, they know the benefits, they've studied it. Like, okay, massage helps me. It also helps with insomnia, by the way. I should add that.
Oh,
If you
really?
if you have problems sleeping at night, if you have a very good deep tissue massage,
Hmm.
you will be knocked out. I trust me with that. So these are people that I'm most of the time my clients in Ikoyi and VI, they call me at 12 a.m.
Hmm.
Are you available? I can't sleep. So what I do is I charge extra for those guys. So far so good. The response is encouraging, but it's not perfect yet. But it's encouraging because another misconception we have is the idea of massage being related to sex, which is another mistake that most people make because they're like, I mean, if I want to do massage now, my babe could do massage for me. Your babe is not a trained, is not a therapist. Your boyfriend is not a therapist. So if we can dissociate sex with massage, I'm sure most people will be more willing to have, like in Ghana, I massage pastors' wives, and it's not any they are the pastor.
How does the man now take it? The pastor himself.
Bishop calls me himself. He'll be like, Teedum, where are you? Please, the whole family needs me because one of their daughters has skatia. I don't know if I'm pronouncing properly. So she's having like some pains on her back. So the doctor advised massages. So somebody told them about me. And when I did the first few weeks for the daughter, and we were like, oh wow, we're finding it different. Okay, let me try it too. So he did.
Yeah.
And then his wife was like, she wants as well. So you'll be like, hey, we all want massage this week. You're coming. So just keep from 4 p.m. to 9 o'clock for us.
But we know there's this mentality in Nigeria here. Especially how some guys, not all, are kind of jealous.
Yeah, territorial. Let's say territorial.
Yeah, you can't even get close to their woman, not talk of touch or
them.
see the private areas.
Good. So that's where we now have to make them understand that, guy, we dey massage your girlfriend. Or she can be in boxers, she can be in her briefs, and we don't leave you totally naked unless you're comfortable. Now, when I have my sessions, I make my clients as comfortable as possible. There are clients that are very comfortable with their nudity, and there are clients that they are not. So what you do is we have a covering. So you cover the person. Then the areas you're working on, you open it. And when you're going there, you tell them, okay, I'm going to your left legs now. I'm going to your right legs now. I'm going to here now. So I think the problem is what they are watching online as well. Because most of the therapists that we have in town are mostly erotic therapists. And you see them holding a woman, flipping her on the bed.
Yeah, and then they post it online.
And then somebody
there's
gets scared, like, hey, so if my girlfriend go here, I'm going to go do after this. No. So before I started, I should have clarified that massages are actually grouped into two. So we have wellness therapy and we have sensual therapy. So now, if you are going for a wellness therapy, that is what we are talking about today. But sensual therapy, that's when That's another is
So
18,
they
18 and
do
above.
that too.
Yes, I mean there are
Wow.
clients that request for
Wow.
sensual therapy, not because they, like I said, sensual, not sexual.
Yeah.
They just want to have that sensation.
Yeah,
that,
that's
okay,
it. True.
yes. So if you're booking that, obviously you know the difference what you're booking for your girlfriend or what your girlfriend is booking. So wellness, your girlfriend will come back, oh baby, my back, massage me. You know it within yourself that once you start that massage, it's not going to end.
Something will happen. Something leads to something.
Good. So why not pay a proper therapy? If you're not comfortable, I mean, there are women that are massage therapists. But like I said earlier as well, most people are pressure. The pressure is quite different from a man to a woman. So a male therapist, the pressure, like most of my male footballers, they don't have female therapists. Not because they are going to be tempted. No, the pressure that the lady brings on the massage bed or the table is quite different from the pressure that we, the male therapists, bring. But what I would say is, let the best person massage your partner. If it's the man, if it's the woman, don't look at it. Just look for the best massage therapist to do it, so that you can get your money's worth and also get what you're really out for.
All right, let's take this call. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello?
Yeah, good afternoon. Welcome to the show. What's your name? Where are you calling from?
Yeah, I called back again. Zubi from Papa. See, your client there. Could you please give the actual range and amounts that he does for, let me just say, wellness massage for an individual?
Okay. All right. Thank you. And then again, we also there's a message here. This one says, "Good afternoon, Ma. I think you pretty much answered the question earlier because I talked about age.
Yeah.
But let's take it because maybe they just tuned into the program. So she says, "Good afternoon, Ma. My name is Tomiwa Adenka, and she's 11 years old and says, does children also need body massage for healthy growth?" I says, thank you.
Yes, as a child, you also need massages. I mean, right now, even your education is stressing us. I see kids carrying 15. Okay, now for this pastor's child I was talking about in Ghana, her problem was the backpack. So you see a child going to school with 15, 17 books in a very big backpack, and then you see them slanting. So imagine it's a child that was prone to massages. That would have helped to correct that before it gets to the point that one part of the back is looking bigger than the other. So yes, a child needs a massage. I mean, you're stressed as well. Forget it. Once you start thinking, once you start writing exams, once you start reading, you're getting stressed. And decision making stresses you because you're now getting close to your peers. Okay, they are doing this. Should I do it? That is stressful to your mentality. So massage is to help you relax.
And let's not also forget, children go to school.
Yes.
And for the most part, they spend some hours sitting down
as well, for long hours.
Yeah, and then listening to the teacher. Sometimes it can be draining.
Back to back.
Exactly.
And just 1 hour, 30 minutes break. I mean, somebody sits down from 8 a.m. to 11:30. Let's say break is 11:30.
Yeah.
Then 12 o'clock, you're back inside again. Then you sit
till
3
2 or 3. Yeah.
So yes, they actually need it for their back. Mostly, and those of you that are in schools that the bench has no backrest, that's another problem. You also have, let your mom, let your dad help you massage your back or something, because before my school changed the state, lots of us started having back problems because where you're not resting your back, you now have to start slouching on your decks, which gives you the S curve, which is not supposed to be like that. Your back normally is the S, but inside, not outside. So by the time you start resting on your back and then you start bulging it upwards, you start seeing people remaining in that structure, and which is not good. So yes.
All right. We have a few more minutes to wrap things, by the way, because the news update comes up at 3 by 3 p.m. and then playing some couple of music to wrap things up. So I want to ask, you already talked about, you answered, people embracing or not. So how long have you been doing this? For people who might be listening, I say, this person is safe. The way he talk as an experience, he's a young man who don't think he's one papa. So how long have you been doing this? And what important thing have you learned since you became a massage therapist?
Unofficially since I was, I think, 10, 11, because my grandmother was a maternity nurse.
Okay.
So she was massaging pregnant women. So I got used to massaging pregnant women whenever I went on holidays to her. So I'll help her. Okay, help Auntie Bura, help Auntie this, and doing that. So fast forward to when I moved to England, then my next door neighbor and her partner were therapists. I was like, oh wow. So I went through the course and learned it with them. And then when I went to Thailand as well, I learned the wellness and sensuality part of it from there as well. So officially working on public clients that are not family members or close to family, that was from 2019. But if you add it from 10 years to now, I'm 29 years old. So that less than 19 years now, I've been exposed to massages, but officially working with certification was 2019, 2020 in Ghana. And what I've learned so far is, to be honest, we need it. I used to be like, before when I first started, I was like, okay, it's just for the money. But by the time a client calls you like, oh, I slept well last night, it's been long I slept like this. Oh, me and my wife, oh wow. Oh, there's this back pain I used to feel. Wow, when you did it. So those things excite me. Like, okay, so he's actually doing something. Yes, I learned it, but I mean, we are humans. Until you experience the full extent of it, then you start believing like, okay, my work is actually doing something. So these are the little things I've experienced and learned so far. And I love it when a client, forget the money. I mean, the money is important, but when you do something nice and somebody calls you like, I've not been able to do this for a long time, but after you touched me, I was able to do this. You get this excitement that also relaxes you because the hormones in you also like, okay, you feel good. Yeah, so you're also excited.
Let's talk about your parents, your mom and dad.
Yes.
You know, if I'm not mistaken, your dad is a politician.
Yes, it
yes.
is.
So, so how did they feel? Especially your mom.
Yeah. My mom is a little bit of a clergy or not. She doesn't call herself a pastor, but
how do they feel when they know that their only son is involved in a work like this?
Well, my funny enough, my dad is a psychologist, so he was more open-minded to it. It's my sister that had an issue with it. She's like the family PRO. Oh, what kind of a thing is that? People will be talking. But then when she shut up was when there's a day she had money, but she needed money for something so fast.
Yeah.
And then she called me. She's like, hey, I don't know who I'll ask for 100K right now. I'm like, okay, send your account. And this is me that used to give money. So I'm like, oh, send your account, man, I'll send you 100K. She's like, how did you get it? I'm like, you said the massager complaining about that. I'm doing it. when last did I call you to ask for money?
Yeah.
So my dad is actually quite, recently there's a video of a man and his wife quarreling over a massage. I don't know if you've seen it.
Not yet.
I'll send it to you.
Okay.
My dad sent it to me. I was like, what's your take on this? The wife wanted a massage. So she was having a massage and the husband went out to bring people like his friends and was recording like, look at what my wife is doing. And the wife was like, if I wanted to sleep with this person, would I do it in the parlor? Obviously, I know you are around. You will come in anytime. The door is open. Do you think I'm that careless? So the woman, because she's more enlightened than the husband. So when my dad sent me that video, I was like, what do you think of this? I'm like, it's mostly understanding. It's mindset as well. So my father and my mom they are very okay. And my mom, whenever I go home, I massage my mom like almost every day. So, and she's known that it's good for her and I'm good. So she doesn't have any problems with it at all. And they've been cool with it so far.
That's good. You know, it's good to have supporting parents who support you. You support your career. So if there's anything that you're also known for is that you massage celebrities.
Yes.
For most people who don't know, they might not have seen you or, come across Teedum, Nubari. So you massage celebrities. How does that make you feel? I saw some of your clients, so how does that make you feel massaging, celebrities?
We are humans.
Both in Ghana and in Nigeria.
You'll be excited, to be honest with you, because it's an avenue for more exposure. Because, now I'm used to it, but the initial time I was like, oh my God, I'm massaging this musician. Oh my God, you're
very cautious and careful.
Careful with my services. Now I'm like, okay, is it an everyday thing? I'm not that excited again. But I'm always happy when a celebrity reaches out to me like, oh, I saw you massaging Nasty Black. I saw you massaging Chigel. I saw you massaging Denrele, Uti, and all that. Can I? I saw. So like next week or so, Chigel, the one that acted the banana in Ghost. Yeah, she's introducing me to Waje to go and do a massage for her next week. And funny enough, I am Waje danced on stage in Port Harcourt one time. So I'm going to bring that up.
That's a second meet.
Yeah, exactly. So it's something it's exciting to me. I know that with them exposing me, I get more connections and more reach, and it's been amazing.
All right. So the final thoughts, because we just have about 4 more minutes to wrap up things. So let's get your final thoughts. Anything you want to let how people should massage, just a final thoughts.
Okay, so final thoughts on massages. And the guy that asked about the prices, depends on the type of massage. For a regular deep tissue massage, is 20,000 naira. And then the client covers, if it's a home service, the client covers the cost of transportation to and fro. And it's just 20,000 naira for. And my Instagram is at Doomstouch. That's DUMS.TOUCH. So Doomstouch on Instagram. And you should get a massage as much as you can. Migraines. Some people have migraines. Some people have headaches. Dehydration causes it, but so sometimes it's stress. So if you can just relax yourself, massage your head by yourself. If you check on my page, you'll see samples of how to do head massages when your partner or you are stressed. You can do it yourself, your temples. You can work on yourself, but just try and get a massage. At least, if bad comes to worse, once a year, you should at least get a very good, proper massage.
All right, thank you. So, it's been a wonderful time. I just wish that we should stay here from now till evening. So, because
it's been amazing as
I'm
well.
really, really enjoying the conversation. It's been a fantastic. Thank you so much.
Oh, thank you for having me.
Teedum. No, you say your name by yourself. Let me not spoil your name.
Teedum.
Teedum.
Yes.
All right, Teedum. Teedum Nubari. Thank you so much for coming, and we hope to see you some other time on the show. It's been an amazing time. Anyways, thank you so much. The news update comes up by 3 p.m. That's in a couple of minutes. Of course, afterwards, you're going to be listening to music. And I'll also be right back, to wrap up the conversation. So please stick around. Remember, the Tuesday Talks comes every Tuesday from 2 p.m. Till 3:30, we talk for 1 hour, have a conversation with the guest. And then, by 3:30 or 3 p.m. after the news updates, definitely going to be, the playing of music because no shows, every show has to do with music, of course. So that's going to be music time. Thank you so much for being part of the show. Next week on the show, perhaps we have, some other guest, maybe a gynecologist or pediatrics who's going to explain certain things to us in different areas that we needed to, be enlightened about. So thank you so much. Thank you, Teedum, for also being part of the show.
You're welcome.
All right.
Jubilee 99.7 FM, because you love it.